Hi everyone, I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and thank you for watching my video. Today I'm going to be using our 18-inch gold round Chalk Couture frame and surface, and our transfer I'm using is America the Beautiful, and I'm going to be using Shimmering Crimson, Shimmering Splash, and Shimmer Gold. And let's get started. See how beautiful that looks? Got all the shimmer on it, but I like the way it turned out. Well, thank you for watching, and I'm really excited the way this turned out. And these boards are actually like a chalkboard too, that you can wipe them off, but I believe they might have been discontinued. I think they were just on our website for a while only, but now I think they're all gone. But all of my details and links are below. Like, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below. And again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye. Have a great day.